In the ever-evolving world of SUVs, why is the Dodge Durango, despite its powerful V8 engine, falling behind? With an outdated design and high fuel consumption, the Durango seems to lag behind more efficient and innovative competitors. But with the arrival of the Dodge Stealth as a potential successor, can this new SUV offer the perfect balance between impressive performance and the comfort families seek in today's modern era? Let's dive into what Dodge Stealth could offer in this video. SUVs have become a top choice for many consumers, and Dodge is gearing up to change the game in this segment. With the discontinuation of the Dodge Journey, the Durango has been their sole SUV offering. Introduced in 2011, the Durango has started showing its age, though it remains popular, particularly with the powerful Durango Hellcat variant, known for its robust V8 engine. In fact, the Durango Hellcat is the only Dodge still using a V8 engine, after the Dodge Charger, Challenger Hellcat, and Ram 1500 TRX ended production. However, the current Durango still runs on the aging WK2 platform. Soon, it will be replaced by the Dodge Stealth, which promises a fresh, modern design that aligns with the era of electrification and advanced technology. The Dodge Stealth is being positioned as the mid-size SUV successor to the Durango. This isn't a revival of the 1990s sports car, but rather a 5-passenger SUV that will use Stellantis's STLA large platform. This platform is designed to support both gas-powered and electric engines, giving the Stealth flexibility to cater to a wide range of drivers. The most intriguing aspect is the potential inclusion of the Hurricane Inline-6 engine for the gas-powered version. This engine is known for its efficiency and power, perfect for SUV enthusiasts who still want high performance without the bulk of a large V8. For those looking to go green, the Stealth is also expected to have an all-electric option. Of course, the big question is how Dodge's loyal fans will react to the change. Replacing the Durango with the more compact and efficient Stealth marks a shift in Dodge's strategy to meet the growing demand for more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly vehicles. Imagine the Dodge Stealth arriving with a modern, sporty design. Sleeker and more aerodynamic body lines provide a fresh look compared to its predecessor. A large grille and sharp LED headlights give it an aggressive stance, while the interior offers maximum comfort with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The spacious cabin ensures every journey is comfortable, making the Stealth a versatile SUV perfect for daily life or weekend adventures. With powerful engine options and all-wheel drive, the Dodge Stealth is ready to be a reliable companion in any situation. We hope this concept of the Dodge Stealth inspires you, and that you can envision the future of SUVs combining strength, efficiency, and style. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring the ever-changing world of automotive innovation.